Sup guys, it's Stan Kosh, and today on GrabCoinClub we'll be talking about the project's tokenomics. So, what we will be talking about? You all seen the white paper. It have all the contents in it, and today we will discuss the GC token, its value, its point, its purpose in the project, because there are a lot of things that you might want to know. There are some basic things that you really need to know, and there are some additional things that you might find useful and interesting anyway. So let's talk about all that today, and we will move to the presentation that was done in Russian before. It was a really good presentation, a really interesting one. I will try to do my best to actually give you as much information about it as possible, but we will see how it will go. There we go. So this is the presentation of actual GC token. What is a GC token? GC token is a token in the Web3 blockchain that is being a currency in the GrabCoinClub game. So in GameFi project, this is a utility token. So it's a token that have its own utility, its own purpose, and its main purpose is serving the game. So you will be able to use that token in order to buy different assets in the game, like NFTs, like SFTs. You can trade it in the marketplaces for the actual fiat currency like USD, for other cryptocurrencies as well. So it's not only in-game token like in other games. There are currencies, different stuff, premium, not non-premium one. And this one is the actual token, actual cryptocurrency that you can exchange for other cryptocurrencies and use it to pay in the GrabCoinClub game. So this is a really useful tool for you if you're gonna play the game. So how it will look like. Right now, the GC token is intended to become the main currency of GrabCoinClub, fueling an ecosystem that allows players to earn and buy or sell non-interchangeable tokens, NFTs. NFT artifacts are all unique artifacts of the GrabCoinClub game world. Those are weapons, those are pets, building permits, spaceships, armor, fossil collection tools, etc. And avatars themselves, like fee hunters. So there is a collection of 15,555 game artifacts that was released on 10th of that was October, right? I don't really remember. And an additional release of NFT artifact is not planned yet. Moreover, you can use GC tokens. I think you can use them to buy the first collection of actual fee hunters. So it's possible if you earn enough of the GC tokens, you can buy the fee hunters as well, which is pretty cool. Now, there is some text right below me, behind me, so I will read through that NFT avatars, those are actual fee hunters, the NFTs that are being your avatar in the game. And by logging to MetaMind using crypto wallet that has NAT avatar, you can choose it as a character in whose role you will visit MetaMind and or play GrabCoinClub. Now you can see the rest of the text below it. In total, you can use up to 5 characters at the same time on one wallet. And same stuff, collection, that's not right. Collection of 15,555 game avatars was released, but on a different date. It was way earlier. It was before I joined the project. I think somewhere in the March or something. I'm not entirely sure on the date, but it was spring of 2022 or something like that. An additional release of NFT avatars is not planned yet. SFTs. Now that's a different topic. NFTs are tokens that are being, the stuff that you can buy and sell on the markets outside of the game, but SFTs are semi-interchangeable game items such as non-unique weapons, territory passes, first aid kits, resources, ammunition, game consumables, etc. So those are semi-interchangeable, they're not that unique, they're not non-interchangeable. Those things can be bought and sold using the GC tokens as well. So yeah, thank you guys. Appreciate your good, kind comments. Appreciate that. So yeah, 3 groups: NFT avatars, NFT artifacts, and SFT artifacts. Those are the main tokens in the MetaMind universe, metaverse basically. So, and all of those can be bought with the GC tokens, guys. Now, we will talk about GC token tokenomics today. This is like everything that makes it work, those are calculations on how the tokens will be issued, how much percent of the token will go to which category, how it will work, and all that stuff. Some projections for its value and all that stuff. A lot of calculation went into this. Really smart people did this. I can't really talk about how hard it is right now because I'm not that good in that yet. But we got some idea here. Moreover, all those values that are here, they are, well, kind of, they will adjust and change as the time will go. So, tokenomics kind of shifts over time. But as it shifts, it kind of, it's based on the game itself, on the different factors from inside and outside. And yeah, but those will stay the same. So overall, the issue is 6 billion GC tokens. This number will stay the same and it cannot be changed. Overall, 6 million GC tokens will be released over time by different ways. And though those numbers will stay, it cannot be changed, it can be increased because it's written in the smart contract. So that's a total exact value. And the thing is, since there is a limit of currency, as the time will go by, its demand on that currency might increase. By the way, before I talk about demand, supply, and prices, I should mention that I am not a financial advisor and everything I say here isn't a financial advice, so don't listen to that. Just some information for you. Important thing, otherwise we can be sued. So, yes, and as the time goes, the demand for the currency, for the GC tokens will go up and it might increase its price. And that's what we see here. So let's talk about those tables right here. This is the token distribution. This is total amount of tokens, 6 billion, and that's amount of tokens that will go to each category of tokens. And this is percentage, same stuff. So for the angel investors, there are 420 million tokens, which is already been done. So angel investor round is completed. Token price for that round is 0.008. So it's lower than 1 cent over here. And this is its value in the USD, in the fiat. So it was raised $336. VC allocation is, I think it's called, God damn it, I forgot the word, I'm sorry. English isn't my main language, as you can guess. Venture capital allocation. There we go, I knew it. So that's a venture investments, and here we have allocation of 360 million tokens, that's 6%, with the same price. So overall it will be $288,000. Seed round is around when, well, basically seed, I won't discuss all of those that long because it will take forever otherwise. So yeah, seed round is 7%, but on the seed round, the token price is supposed to be higher. It will raise, and at the seed round, it will be 0.032 cents already. And the amount of money that will be raised in that round of investment will be $1,344,000. Then will be private round for the private investors. The allocation is 420 million tokens there, and for the public round, where anyone can buy those, same amount, 420 million tokens. Here, the price increases even more. So for the private round is 56, 0056, I don't know, parts of the cent. I don't know how it's called actually. Then it's 64, which is even higher. And can you imagine the difference between the angel investor and this in terms of the value of the token? And we don't stop there. It will keep going. This is not the end. So then we have this one, call round, which is only 2% of the tokens. Here we have 120 million. And at this moment, the price is 0.032 as well. So this is pretty low price. After that, we got the free allocation, 60 million. And here we got the splits that are going towards the, technical things. So for the team, we have 15% of the tokens. That's for, everyone involved in the creation of the project. Then for advisors, there are 3%. Right now, currently, there is Jason Hung, who is already part of the team advisors, of the advisors team. And usually each advisor is getting 0.5% of the token supply. So part of it is already done. Then there will be marketing, which is basically marketing of the project. It's like, I don't know, anything. advertisement, bloggers, whatever. A lot of things are included in this point, and it's 5%, so 300 million. Then there is the liquidity, 300 million, in order to support liquidity of the token on the markets. Play to earn part, which is actually pretty big, because this is the part that you, players, will earn. 900 million, 15% right here, and another 15% for staking, so it's same 900 million right here. And those are really important, and those will go towards the actual players and owners of GC token, of NFT, of GrabCoinClub, to all that. Then there is a treasury, 5%. That's like extra safe money, so that can be split between different areas as needed. So that's like some for safekeeping, 300 million for safekeeping, in order to balance out the price, so there won't be huge drops and raises and that kind of stuff, so it will be balanced and it won't fluctuate that much. So overall 6 million right here. Now let's move on to the actual listing price. Now this is interesting. Why? Because as the project will develop, as it will grow, its price will go up as well. So for the token listing price, at the moment when the game will be released, when token will be released, when everything will be on the market, token listing price is 0.007. So that's the listing price, which is like almost 10 times higher than angel investor. Oh no, 100. 100 times more. So it's crazy growth right there. Liquidity on TGE point is $21,000. And here is initial market cap with the liquidity, about $700,000. So interesting point here, like this is estimates, those are estimates, and that can go higher and lower. Moreover, since it's a crypto market, it can fluctuate quite a lot. The fluctuations are really high because it can go maybe 2 times per day, like, it can increase 2 times per day and then drop down 2 times. So it's possible that prices can go really, really crazy, and it's normal because it takes time in order for currency to set its place, to set its actual value. So it can go either way, and it's normal. So be ready for that. So valuation at the VC round should be 4.8 million already, and full diluted market cap, this is when everything is done, 42 million. Now, this is at this token listing price, as far as I understand. Project that has reasonable and well thought out incentives for buying and storing tokens for a long time will succeed more by creating an ecosystem and an active community around the token. Important moment, guys, that this token, unlike most tokens, some tokens, let's put it like that, have its own purpose. There are tokens that are just being released for the purpose of having tokens, just for the market speculation. This one have its own demand in the GrabCoinClub game and other projects that will be released later on, probably. So there is something behind it, unlike other cryptocurrencies that are out there. So it's a really strong point for GC token. Now, here we can talk about investment offers and all that stuff. Let's see. All right. First, before moving on to that point, I want to tell you that, well, what I heard, I mean, I can't say for it as myself, but from what I've heard, overall, like the goal of the price of the token is $1. So as the project will grow, develop, and get all its features, get through all the investing rounds, all that stuff, go through staking, and it will be working project out there. The value of one GC token is supposed to be $1. So overall market value of GC token should be market cap, should be $6 billion at that point. When it will happen, I mean, hard to tell, maybe a few years, but the plans for the game, as far as I know from the developers, is about maybe at least 10 years, of course, at least a couple of years. The project have a lot of plans for development, so I'm mostly focused on the game parts of the project, so I know a lot about the game plans, how they want to develop additional planets and that kind of stuff. But as for the GC token, which is the fuel of that project, it will have its own demand over time as well because of that. So that's really, really important. Now, let's talk about the investment offer. For venture investments, allocated total is 360 million GC tokens at the cost of 0.000.USDT for one GC token. Total offer is 288 and it's already done. So minimum investment of, no, venture investments aren't done yet, right? I'm not sure. So basically the minimum investment is $10,000. In any case, I mean, in all the rounds over here, you get the minimum investment of $10,000. So if you're interested in investing, you should contact the team somewhere on the Telegram, on the Discord, on the Instagram, anywhere, and discuss the terms, and probably there will be something that you can go for. Vesting conditions is 6-month cliff, 1% TGA, and 18 monthly linear unlock. So it will take some time before the investments will be available for sale, because, well, otherwise it won't go just as we planned. Vesting is configured on PinClock or another site at the investor's choice in agreement with the project. So yeah. As for angel investment, I think venture investments are done. I heard that. I don't remember exactly. So yeah, those things are underway. Excuse me. Water is important. Angel investment, total allocated 45 million and at cost 0.008 USDT for one GC token. And as of 10/27/22, so at the end of October, the balance is only 36 USDT, and 307 has already been invested. Information about this investment can be provided upon request. Yes, angel investments are done. I remember that. The Stanislav said that angel investments are done at this point already, so they are fully invested and it's all good. Same stuff, 6-month cliff, 1% TGA, and 18-month linear unlock. Same stuff, PinClock. So for the seed round though, allocated total is 326 GC tokens, millions, at the cost of 0.032 USDT for one GC token. And yeah, for now, the balance is only 1 million USDT, 300,000 already been invested. So information about investments can be provided upon request. Once again, if you want to know that, you should contact the team. And minimum investment of $10,000 is available here. Vesting conditions here are different though. They are way less strict. You have 4-month cliff, 4% TGE, and 10-month monthly linear unlock. So instead of 18-month, you have 10-month here, and 4-month cliff instead of 6-month cliff. So this is way more soft. Vesting is configured on PinClock or another site as well, up to the investor's choice. The investment opportunities for the private public round will be announced later, but I think the conditions will be kind of the same. Maybe minimum investment will be lowered for small investors, and the project is ready to discuss the possibility of investing in other cryptocurrencies, currencies, or assets. So everything is open to discussion, guys. That's important. Now, what do we have for the financial plan? Capitalization. Fully diluted market cap from 2.6 billion to 6.3 billion in 50 months. Okay, that's how many? About 4 years or so. I'm not good with mathematics, but I think it's 4-year something. Investments already attracted. Angel investment $300,000 and $7,000. Seed round reserve for $300,000, and at the date of end of October, $600,000 invested. Transaction hashes are provided with the permission of investors. Again, if you need that information, you should contact the team. Prognosed numbers of players is over 3 million people in 2025, which is, I think it's like 2 years from now, because it's already almost 2023, so 2022 is finally over. God damn it, thank you very much. And we will have some IDO rounds here. Seed round at December 15. All right. Hard cap is 1,344,000. I think that information is a little bit outdated here at the time of the presentation, because I heard Stanislav talking that they kind of decided to postpone those rounds a bit to the future, because the market conditions now are harsh. They're not really good, not favorable for the IDO. Moreover, they contacted the how it's called, the IDOs themselves basically, and the financial advisors, and they didn't recommend it to do it this year, so it will be done somewhere early next year. But based on the circumstances in the economics, in the political situation, and all that stuff, which will be taken into account, so expect further information upon that. So I think this is a little bit outdated, but the plans were here. As I said, they will change upon time, but more or less you can see the main idea that's going through this. Private round on February of 15 and public round on April 15. So those are the main ideas. Now, as for the income for 12 months, this is interesting. Angel investments, 336,000, VC investments, 288,000, seed, 1,344,000, private round, 2,352, public round, 2,688, NFT, SFT sales, 2 million, royalty from OpenSea, 320,000, DEO income, 2 million. And in total, the income for 1 year is estimated $11,406,000, which is really good. As for the expenses though, office and expenses is, do I really need to show them to you one by one? You can read yourself. Overall the expenses are 5 million, so it's like a really good income right here of 5 million, which is double the expenses, which is pretty good amount if you ask me. The expected profit from the first year is more than $6 million, which is pretty nice for very young project like this. But from what I can tell you, judging by the progression of the game, how the game develops, how everything is happening, this looks really good. I mean, and it's possible, and it's a really nice thing right here. All right, what I wanted to tell you else, like this is the end of the presentation, but there were some information that I should have told you. First of all, the market cap and the value of token isn't the value of the project itself, because for the GC token, for example, it consists of several parts. It consists of GC token itself, which we discussed right now. Moreover, it have a lot of NFTs that have their own value as well. It have the office. It have its own assets as well in the office, like chairs, computers, that kind of stuff, and everything like that cost something. Moreover, it have intellectual property, like, you know, all those avatars, that kind of stuff. So that's a lot of things that have to be considered in when you evaluate in the company itself or the project itself. So you can't really evaluate the project by its token, because it's just part of that evaluation. In order to get the full value, you need to sum up different things, and I don't know, maybe we will get another presentation on other things as well, so we can see the value of NFTs, the value of everything like that. So probably that will be interesting to see. For me, for sure, I'll be really curious about that, but I mean, maybe that's a closed information. We don't know yet. So yeah, guys, that's the presentation right here of the GC token. If you have your own questions, write them down below in the comments. Moreover, if you want to invest, if you're looking to invest, I suggest you guys to contact the team right away. Because if you're thinking like, okay, I will invest later on in a public round because I'm waiting for this and that, I'm not sure, just ask the questions. As you can see, everything like here on this slide over here, project is ready to discuss the possibility of investing in other cryptocurrencies, currencies, or assets. Everything is discussable. So if you have ideas about investing, if you want to figure out some questions, or if you're looking to invest, you should definitely contact the team about that, and you will get some answers, and you will make up your mind after that. Because waiting for longer might be not the best idea, because the longer you wait, the higher the price will go. So, more tokens earlier, good stuff. So yeah, I think guys, if you have no questions right now, and I don't see any questions, let me really check the Discord really fast. Maybe we'll have some questions over there. All right. All right. We expect 1 GC to be equal to 1 USD really soon. Yes. My question is on Ask Stan Kosh. All right. Let's check it out. On what exchanges I can withdraw GC, and how early can I do that? If I win GC tokens in the raffle, can I go to Binance and exchange my coins for Bitcoins, for example, right away? That's a good question, Kate. Right now, I can't really tell you if they're available at this moment on Binance. I know that there's some preparation going for that. I know that there are discussions going with the centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges, but over time, when GC token will be launched, you will be able to exchange it for other cryptocurrencies on many launchpads, exchanges, centralized and decentralized one. Which ones though, it will be announced later. Right now, I personally don't have that information myself, but if the team would like to share that information with us, that would be fantastic. I am curious to know as well, but I mean, I can't give you out information that I'm not sure about. I'm already giving you a lot of information I'm not sure about always, because I like those small talk and some ideas that I like to think about. So yeah, a lot of information out here that is not sure about. But today I try to do the most stuff without any speculations, because this is more of economics, this is more finance stream right now. So I prefer to stick to the numbers instead of, just voicing my own opinion over here. So yeah, guys, those are the GC tokens for you. This is what we have for the today's stream. Let me know what you think about that down below in the comments. And yeah, guys, don't forget to join the raffle for giveaway for 1 million USD prize pool that's happening right now. You can get the link in the video description and in the Discord. Not many conditions. It's pretty easy. We done it on the Russian live stream, and it took us like maybe 20 minutes to go through everything. And the winners will get 10,000 GC tokens, and there are a lot of prize brackets. So 350 winners. Let's put it like that. A lot of prizes. You will love it. So join it. Don't forget about that. Other than that, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give this video a like, thumbs up, and write something in the comments down below. That's necessary, that's important, and you can't avoid that. And yeah, check out the video description for more links. So link tree with all the social media links of GrabCoinClub, and join those as well to keep track of the project. Yeah, I think that's about it for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Stan Kosh out. Have a good one, have a good evening, and see you next week. Bye.